Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add watermark on Capcut. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to Capcut and we're going to add watermark to this video. So what we're going to do is click on this text option, then click on add text, then type the text that you want to make it as your watermark. For example, I'm going to type Marl. Then you can change the font by clicking on font option, and then I'm going to choose Helium font right here. Then after that we can click on style to make the watermark transparent, and we can go down until we find opacity, and we can reduce the opacity to make it transparent. You can make it as transparent as you like, and I'm going to make it 40%. And after that we can go back to our video. Don't forget to click on this check mark. Alright, and don't forget to adjust the length, guys, like this. Alright, and let's check it together. Let's play the video, guys. Alright guys, that's how we can make watermark on Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.